Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change a Spotify password. So, in order to do this, first of all, then log in using user credentials. Now, after making sure you are on Spotify's dashboard, click on your profile icon at the top right of the screen and you will see account, profile, private session, settings and logout option. Simply click on the account option from this and it will instantly take you to this page where you will see your plan details, account, subscription and payment section. Now scroll down and navigate to security and privacy section. So after you navigate to this section, you'll have to simply click on the change password button at the top of this page. Now, you'll have to simply enter your current password, that is your Spotify's latest password, then enter the new password that you want to change to in the new password section. Make sure your password contain at least one letter, one number or one special character, for example these, and in total it should be 10 characters. Now scroll down and repeat new password. So enter your new password again in this field that you've entered here, then click on set new password. After you click on set new password, you would have successfully changed your password on Spotify. So that's how you change a Spotify password. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.